Hey, what's up traders? Welcome to Forex Gym. This video I'm making today is completely unplanned. So I was looking this trade earlier and a few thoughts came into my mind. So I thought I'm going to share with you and it will be useful as well. And this slightly touches the video I uploaded yesterday about the self-awareness. Just briefly going into a bit more details today than yesterday. I'm going to make more videos about the self-awareness. I think it's super important, but for this video I want to make it pretty short. And so what I was thinking, I have this US dollar Japanese yen trade in here. I went short on this zone and I've been sitting on this trade since last week, at the end of the last week. So this is my stop loss in here, and we can see that the price is very close to my stop loss. It's about 10-15 pips away, so it's pretty close. There's a higher chance that the price is going to come up and probably stop me out. So I was thinking earlier that to close the trade and cut the losses short, as we hear it very frequently on different trading gurus and all that. So that's why I had in my thought too. Okay, there was like instinctive thought, like cut the losses short, because still no one likes to take the loss, and this is like the instinctive. So that comes to the self-awareness that to detect that kind of thoughts. So then it sounds reasonable because the now looking this pair looking pretty strong. There is a good chance that it's going to push good 10-15 pips, or even might want to come up and take out these highs. So this is a 1 hourly time frame, and so I was thinking that yeah, I can cut the shorts, cut this loss short, so I can save about 10-15 pips on it, which is yeah, maybe good. But then I was thinking that okay, there's a chance that the price can come up and test this daily R3 and then turn around and continue falling and possibly even continue to the target. My target is pretty far away, but there's a chance that the price might just test this daily R3 and continue falling and maybe even get to my target. So if the price comes up and I get stopped out, which is not a big deal, this is a managed stop. So if I'm only going to take a small percentage of small loss. It's like less than 1%, so it's not a big deal. It's not going to affect my account. However, I thought if the price comes up and then to this daily R1 and might have a reaction and continues falling and get to even my target, then I thought I'll definitely will be pissed off if that happens. And then the thoughts comes in that I'm probably gonna beat myself up that okay, why would I close this trade? It would have been better than left off, and then it just goes this thought process. So I immediately clocked it. So then the decision to make either close or let it run then was pretty instant and clear. So then just leave the trade in, and if I get stopped out then might as well be. So that's what is the part of the self-awareness. It really it's a very underrated, but it helps you not only just trading but all aspects of your life. I do think it's crucial for the trading success, and not just only on this particular trade, but in every aspects, like risk management, for instance, how much you need to risk. I know there's a rule of thumb that you're gonna risk 1% of trades, but you might be not comfortable with 1% of the risking 1% of your capital. You might be just comfortable risking 0.1%, or you might be comfortable with risking 5%. It comes back to again the self-awareness and your comforts and all that. So you need to kind of clock all that thoughts in your head, and that definitely takes time. It does not happen instantly, and it can take years. This is the same thing as probably you heard it from a lot of traders. Develop your trader mindset. It's really is the self-awareness. I haven't even decided whether I'm going to upload it or not, but I thought it was the great opportunity to cover it in here, because I already have a trade on, and now we can say the price is coming down, but of course it can just come down, maybe down to this low here, and then a lot of orders for the buy side come in and just come up, but that doesn't really matter because I already accepted that if the price comes up, then I will take the loss. However, I would not. I would be pissed if I would have closed the trade and the price would continue and even get to my target. So that was a pretty easy decision to make.